Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 27909 cordless telephone, and this is Linda's equipment from Illinois. And this is the initial checkout of this cool cordless telephone. Linda's got a note with this unit, and she's talking about having a transmit issue. But we also want to talk about another issue that this cordless telephone has, and it's the piezo buzzer. And basically, this is broken. It would have went right here on the main PC board. That's where it would have been soldered in. And we have some pieces to it that we've removed because now that piezo buzzer has to be replaced. And a big mistake that people make is when they're trying to remove the cover, which would be the outside cover, there is a little spot where that piezo buzzer, the noise from the piezo buzzer comes out of an area right in this spot right here of the cover. And so basically what happens is when they're trying to remove the outer cover, they pry into that piezo buzzer, and you can see the way it's designed. The sound would come out of this area right here, which sticks out of the side of that cover, and that ruins the piezo buzzer. And that piezo buzzer is very hard to find, because most piezo buzzers release the noise or the sound from the top. And this is a very low profiled piezo buzzer that's pointed or directed out of the side of the handset. So it's a very hard part to find. I see it often where they've been pried on, and if you pry on them too much, they will break. So we will need to replace that piezo buzzer along with our other repairs. So we want to get a start on this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. Now, there is an issue with the open amplifier. The RF power that this telephone interchanges with the base and the handset can cause interference in the amplifier, and it can sound like a static sensation or noise in the amplifier. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the RF power. And we'll try to show you that in the final checkout. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now what we want to do is show that our piezo buzzer is ringing on the handset. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can go ahead and hang the unit up. Now what we want to do is talk about the RF power and show you the effect it can have on an open amplifier. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll dial it 2 to cause dial tone to go away. We'll go ahead and hang our unit up. So that is the RF power that the amplifier is picking up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Saturday, December 8th. The current time, 7:26 p.m. and the temperature, 34 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Linda and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. Now these were really good units and people really liked them, and if you can even find one used, they get quite expensive, and a lot of times the used ones will also need to be repaired. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.